Hey guys, welcome back to another follow-up video of Pixel OS for Redmi Note 8. So I have been using this build few days now, and this build is actually not really that great. It's worse than the last one. Anyway, let's check what we are getting here. The main changes I have found here is actually only the security patch level. So the security patch level is changed now. So if I check here, as usual, Android 15, the security patch level is from 5th of December 2024. So last year's security patch. That's what you will get with all other ROMs actually. And in terms of UI changes, I haven't found anything, almost all the same thing here. There is nothing much. As Android 15 OS, you are getting few features of Android 15, and Pixel OS don't really come with any kind of additional features like you get with Evolution X and Infinity X, your Droid ROM, all those ROMs. So you are getting pure stock ROM here, nothing else. But the problem is that although it is a pure stock ROM, but it is not really that great. Like if you check the competitor of this ROM like Evolution X or Infinity X ROM, they come with a lot of features and they are much better than this ROM. So anyway, let's talk about this ROM. First of all, I haven't found any kind of issue in terms of network connectivity. Like I did try phone calls, I did use network here, I did play games on this ROM, and everything seems to be working fine. I haven't found any issue. But many people actually told me that there are some internal issue with the ROM. Actually, I can't really test every aspect of the ROM. I just try the basic things like phone calls, messaging, and how the ROM is performing. All those things, is it charging well or not? All those things, I can't really test each and every app and find out the issues. As a custom ROM, you will always have some issues with the ROM. Even in the stock ROM also you will get some issues. So those issues are here too. I don't really know is there any minor issues regarding the application and other things. But as far as my usage goes or my testing goes, I haven't found any major issues here. So as usual, Android 15 display section, we are getting all the typical options, wallpaper style, typical things. The ROM is a little bit slower side. It is not really that fast. The last build was really good actually, not really that bad. AI wallpaper and workshop, all those things are available. And battery backup is also not doing well actually. It's a little worse than the previous build. Charging control is there and few other things, so those are there. System setting, we don't really have anything here, only the Xiaomi parts option is there. So if you want to calibrate your display, you can do that. In the security and privacy setting, we do have both face and fingerprint unlock. Both of them working pretty fine. Not really that fast, but workable and work pretty well, as you can see here. A little bit slower side, but works well. And also as a Android 15 based ROM, we do have private space and also have peak. So those features are available. Rather than that, I haven't found anything else. Notification panel is pretty much similar. There is nothing new here. You can edit these things, so those are available. So the ROM is working well actually, and it is not really that fast, as you can see here, a little bit slower side. Last bit was pretty okay. And in terms of safety net, so we don't really have any kind of safety net. That is one issue here. Last bit also didn't come with safety net, and this one also. And we do have MIUI camera here, which is working, so we don't have any kind of issue with camera application. You can install Gcam here, it will work perfectly fine, no issue with that. And also if you check Google Photos unlimited storage, so that is also available. As you can see here, the unlimited storage for Google Photos is available. If you check the Google Play Protect certification, so that is also not available. As you can see here, device is not certified. So these few issues are here, and also the ROM is sluggish. As you can see, it is not really performing that well like the previous build. And now come to the main point here, the gaming. So the gaming is not really great here. It is pretty much worse than last build. As I said, it is struggling a lot. I did play Call of Duty here as same setting as I play on all other ROMs, pretty much laggy. If you are planning to game on this ROM, it's not going to happen. This is not really that much usable for gaming. And in terms of feature, we're getting here actually circle to search. That is really good feature, as I said, but a little bit slower side, but works well, as you can see here. So that is available. So circle to search is available. And in terms of gaming, this ROM is not really good. But if you really want to install this ROM, I will put the ROM link in the description below. But I would say don't install this ROM. Try something else like Evolution X or Infinity X ROM. Those are much better. Obviously, you will have some issues with those ROM too, but they are far better than this one. So that's all about this build of PixelOS for Redmi Note 8. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.